Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special and incredibly charming. The FUJIFILM INSTAX Mini 12 Instant Film Camera in that absolutely delightful lilac purple. This isn't just a camera, it's a complete experience, arriving as an ideal gift bundle for kids, teenagers, and even adults who cherish tangible memories. Imagine unwrapping this beauty. The lilac purple hue is simply captivating, giving the camera a playful yet sophisticated appeal that stands out. It's not just a pretty face, though. The Instax Mini 12 is designed for pure, unadulterated fun. Its user-friendly interface means anyone can pick it up and start snapping away without a steep learning curve. The automatic exposure feature is a game changer, ensuring bright, vibrant photos every single time, whether one is indoors or out in the sunshine. No more fiddling with settings, just point, click, and watch the magic unfold. What makes this particular offering truly exceptional is the comprehensive bundle. It comes packed with 20 sheets of Fuji INSTAX Mini Instant Film, so the fun can begin right out of the box. There's no need to scramble for films separately, which is a huge plus, especially when it's intended as a gift. But it doesn't stop there. The package also includes a matching camera case, which is not only stylish, but also provides essential protection for the camera, keeping it safe from bumps and scratches. And let's not forget the additional accessories that round out this perfect gift set, making it ready for any adventure. This camera is all about instant gratification and creating lasting memories. Think about capturing candid moments at a birthday party, a family gathering, or just a casual day out with friends. The joy of holding a physical print in one's hand just moments after taking the picture is something digital photos can't quite replicate. It encourages a more thoughtful approach to photography, making each shot count. It's a wonderful way to document life's little moments, creating mini works of art that can be shared, displayed, or tucked into a journal. For anyone looking for a unique and thoughtful present, this FUJIFILM INSTAX Mini 12 bundle is an absolute winner. It combines nostalgic charm with modern convenience, all wrapped up in an aesthetically pleasing package. It's more than just a gadget. It's a tool for creativity, connection, and capturing the fleeting beauty of everyday life. This camera truly brings a smile to anyone's face, making it an unforgettable gift that will be cherished for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.